So Naomi, how do you normally like to be recorded? Do you like to have some reverb going into your headphones?
Because I normally just record at home.
Yeah.
I just like the female ambient preset. Like, I've got really used to it, so I like to hear my voice through that, and it just sounds nice to me.
Excellent. So anything like that might make the vocalist just feel more comfortable, feel more at ease with what they're hearing is always a good thing to do. And the good thing is that you can just load a channel strip like that in Logic, and it's not recording into the actual take. It's just we're monitoring it from the chain back into the headphones. So Naomi has a particular preset that she likes to use in Logic Pro. Fortunately, we're using Logic Pro as well, so it's easy to just access that. And like I said before, Naomi feels at home with that. She feels like she's more yourself when you're hearing it back. Yeah,
I think without that preset, sometimes it sounds a little dry to me, so then I force things that I wouldn't force whilst hearing it ambiently. So.
Absolutely. So, you know, it's all about making the vocalist feel as comfortable as possible. And what we're going to do, you said you had it here, did you?
Yeah.
Which one was it?
Just one of these female ambient.
So we found the Logic channel strip that Naomi usually likes to use at home. So I'm simply going to open the track here, click on the track header, go to the settings, click copy channel strip setting, and we're going to go over to the track that we are monitoring on, Naomi's monitoring her voice on, and just paste it in there. So again, click on settings and paste channel strip setting. Okay. Is there any adjustment in gain? Can you hear from yourself?
Hello. Yeah, probably up a little bit.
Up a bit? Yeah. So, okay. Just simply going to load a gain utility at the end of the chain so it doesn't affect the actual processing that's happening. And go to the gain stereo. That's fine. And
hello. Yeah.
Quite a bit more?
Yeah, that's good. I think when you copied it over, because that was quite low, it's put it low.
Yeah, that's fine.
Apart from that, yeah.
Is that good?
Yes. It
can go high if you want.
Hello. No, that's all right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Excellent.
Yeah, so a lot of actually recording the singer is making the singer feel comfortable.
Yes.
So whatever techniques they do at home, just try and copy that, emulate them so they feel comfortable so they can give their best performance. If you think you've got the right certain way and the singer's not happy with that, don't be so stubborn and just do what the singer wants to do, because it's all about getting the best performance out of the singer, getting them comfortable. And that's, from what I found, my experience is just making sure the singer's relaxed and they can give their best take, and then that will be the best for your track.
The good thing about this is it's not right or wrong, because the channel strip that we are pasting is later in the signal chain than the actual recording. So what we're actually recording is still dry without the plugins printed onto it. It's just there for the benefit of Naomi's monitoring, just to make Naomi feel comfortable. After we record this, and if we delete the channel strip, the dry recording will still be there. So we're not losing anything. This isn't a destructive process at all.